Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. Just making a fresh salad. Welcome to my kitchen. Having a good day?
Hey YouTube, it's Eliana back again for you with another video in our side hustle series. So today we're talking to my co-worker, Mike McCabe. He has a side hustle that you've been doing the longest out of any of my co-workers that I've talked to about their side gigs. You do Pampered Chef. How long have you been a Pampered Chef?
I have been doing this for 12 years.
Wow.
A long time.
So 12 years basically selling, kitchenware, right?
Absolutely, kitchen tools, that's what we do. Pampered Chef has been around for 40 years. They started in 1980. And I love cooking, and so it was a natural fit for me.
Hi everybody, welcome to my kitchen. I am a Pampered Chef consultant, and I've been a consultant for over 12 years. I'm a part-time consultant, I absolutely love it. This is my kitchen, what do you think? These are all Pampered Chef products that I absolutely love and I use almost every day. Check it out. This is the close and cut. How cool is that? We take a knife, a very sharp knife, we're gonna slice right through the middle of those tomatoes. Who can go wrong with a salad like this? You know what I love to do? Homemade salad dressings. Over 21 years ago, I got my first Pampered Chef tool. It was a stoneware piece and it sat in the cupboard for I don't know how long before I finally ended up using it, and I fell in love with it. And so that's that point where I really kind of became a Pampered Chef junkie. I really use the tools in the kitchen all the time. My sister-in-law sold it. I would buy from her. Finally one day I looked at her and I thought to myself, my wife said, you know what, Mike? Maybe you could think about possibly selling it yourself. I mean, you buy the product and why not? So that's what I did, and that was 12 years ago, over 12 years ago. I was gonna do 6 shows and quit. It was in the fall, and I was gonna try and earn enough money to pay for Christmas without putting it on a credit card, and then I was gonna be done. Well,
How do you keep the balance with working full-time?
well, the beauty of the business is that I can fit this in on my time. So as you know, and Eliana both, we work the same schedules Monday through Friday. We go to work later in the afternoon and we work till late at night, right? So I have my mornings and my early afternoons to myself.
And you don't even need to spend a lot of time on it. I mean,
No.
like you were saying with your videos, grab your daughter, hey, can you film me really quick?
Yeah.
And boom, you're promoting a product or whatever it is. And
You can do it right off of your phone, right into your kitchen. That's a huge bonus. You can do it on your own time, right? And you are your own boss. That's a huge benefit, right? When I make a new recipe, I keep that receipt. My wife files it in our taxes and I get to write that off. So there's a definitely pro there. What you think is what you get.
Right.
If you think no one's gonna buy, no one's gonna buy. If you have a mindset that there are people out there that will buy and you're offering a quality product that you believe in, people will, and they do buy. Don't sit there and contemplate, just go for it. Do it, put yourself out there, demo a product, just go for it.
You have to be a self-starter.
Yeah.
You don't have anyone waking you up saying, okay, you gotta clock in and do this now. And if you are not good at that, this business isn't gonna work very well for you.
Don't worry about, oh, my hair isn't right, or I'll start next week, or this is when I'm gonna start. Just do it. And then you learn along the way.
we already have kind of less fear in front of the camera than
Right.
some who never go in front of the camera, but there's still probably an element of, confidence getting out there and why can I sell Pampered Chef? Well, why can you?
Anybody can sell Pampered Chef. I tell people all that all the time. And it's a good point that you bring. People say, oh, you're on TV. This must be really easy for you. Well, actually, no, it's not. I still get nervous when I do cooking shows. Even when I do what I'm doing here today, I get a little bit nervous. But that's help. That helps, right? It gives you some energy. But anybody can do Pampered Chef. You do not have to be a chef.
I had a goal last year, and that was to save up enough money to take our family to Hawaii. Obviously, Hawaii did not happen. But I thought that we weren't gonna go because once COVID hit, all my shows, my live cooking shows dropped off the map. I mean, we couldn't do cooking shows.
No way.
So I switched it to virtual and I did everything entirely, completely, 100% on my phone. I create a group, I find a host, they invite their friends, I do live videos all on my phone, post recipes, tips and tricks to get in and out of the kitchen quicker, and guess what? It worked. Not only did it work, it tripled my business. You really get what you put into it. I'm a part-time consultant, so for me, I maybe do 4 or 5 virtual cooking shows a month, which is really not a whole lot. You can do more, but I work full-time, and so as a part-time consultant, on average, if you look at last year, I make about $600 a month.
Why do you think people choose to invest in Pampered Chef when they could get the same things maybe on Amazon for much cheaper?
That's an excellent question. Quality, number one. Number two, when you buy something on Amazon, for example, maybe a Pampered Chef tool that sometimes shows up on Amazon, you're not getting the guarantee that goes along with it. You always have me in your back pocket. You don't get that when you go to Amazon. I'm having a problem with my quick cooker. What do? Give them an 800 number to call, Pampered Chef. They have great warranties on all their products, some of them lifetime, like our cookware. I mean, you buy our cookware, you never have to buy another piece of cookware again.
People often ask, well, how do you get shows? How do you get customers to book shows? And that's a good question. I mean, the first, when you get started, of course, you invite your family and friends. Hey, I just started a new business. I'm super excited. Will you help me? When you host your own cooking show with maybe your neighbor or your mother or whoever it is, a friend of yours, when you start out, you invite people, right? Whether that's virtually and hopefully back live cooking shows here pretty soon. You always offer the opportunity to everybody, and you always ask people that are invited to the party, maybe people you don't know, hey, did you have fun today? Is this something that you think you'd like to do? Maybe you'd like to try this out. Well, no, I'm not really interested in business right now, but boy, I really love the nonstick cookware and I'd love to get that in my kitchen. Well, guess what? I can help you get it in your kitchen for free or at a discount. Then you've got their attention. Because instead of buying a full price quality kitchen tool, they're now able to get it at half off or even free.
Wow.
So that gets their attention. They think, well, maybe I will do a party. And then sometimes I say, well, I don't have many friends. Well, yeah, everybody has friends or knows somebody. I invite them.
Yeah.
People love being invited to a party. Whether they buy or not is a whole entirely different thing.
Right.
You gotta ask, you gotta keep it going.
Well, thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please click like and hit subscribe. Once again, we have other videos in the Side Hustle series, and this one is one that I'm pretty interested in, so I think I might be checking it out.
Yeah, absolutely.
Checking it out.
Thank you for being a supporter of my business.
Absolutely. And, check out Mike McCabe. We'll put a link below if you are interested in Pampered Chef product. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you soon.
We'll see you.